Living in Washington means experiencing a variety of weather conditions, from strong winds and heavy rain to occasional storms. Homeowners in the region must take proactive steps to protect their homes from potential damage. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's safety and durability is by installing impact-resistant windows. These advanced windows not only provide superior protection but also improve energy efficiency, reduce noise, and increase property value. What are impact-resistant windows? Impact-resistant windows are specially designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, including strong winds and flying debris. Unlike standard windows, these are made with a combination of tempered glass and a durable polymer layer, ensuring that even if the glass shatters, it remains intact rather than breaking into dangerous shards. This technology is commonly used in hurricane-prone areas but is also beneficial for homeowners in Washington looking for added security and resilience. The benefits of impact-resistant windows: storm protection. Washington is no stranger to harsh weather, with high winds and heavy rains posing potential risks to homes. Impact-resistant windows provide a sturdy barrier against flying debris and extreme wind pressure, reducing the risk of broken windows and interior damage. Enhanced security. Burglars and intruders often target weak entry points like windows. Impact-resistant windows are tough to break, making it significantly harder for anyone to gain unauthorized access to your home. This added layer of security gives homeowners greater peace of mind. Improved energy efficiency. The energy costs can add up, especially in Washington's cooler months. Impact-resistant windows help improve insulation and reduce energy loss, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Many impact windows also come with low E coatings and multiple glazing layers, helping to reduce heat transfer and lower utility bills. Noise reduction. If you live near a busy street or a high traffic area, noise pollution can be a persistent issue. Impact-resistant windows have superior soundproofing qualities, helping to create a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Increased property value. Home improvements that enhance security and energy efficiency can significantly increase your home's resale value. Potential buyers will appreciate the added protection, energy savings, and reduced maintenance costs that come with impact-resistant windows. How to choose the right impact-resistant windows? When selecting impact-resistant windows for your Washington home, consider the following factors. Glass type. Most impact-resistant windows use laminated glass with a durable inner layer. Some options also include insulated glass for added energy efficiency. Frame material. Frames play a crucial role in window durability. Choose materials like vinyl, aluminum, fiberglass, or reinforced wood, which offer strength, low maintenance, and weather resistance. Certification and standard. Look for impact-resistant windows that meet industry standards such as the ASTM E1996 and E1886. These certifications ensure that the windows have been tested for wind pressure and impact resistance. UV protection. Many impact-resistant windows come with UV-resistant coatings, helping to reduce fading of furniture, flooring, and artwork caused by the sun's rays. Professional installation. Proper installation is essential for maximizing the performance of impact-resistant windows. Work with a trusted, experienced window contractor to ensure a secure and precise installation that meets local building codes and regulations. Cost and financing options. While impact-resistant windows may have a higher upfront cost compared to standard windows, they provide long-term savings on energy bills, maintenance, and potential storm damage repairs. Many window providers offer financing options, rebates, and even insurance discounts for homeowners who install impact-resistant windows. Final thoughts. Invest in impact-resistant windows for peace of mind. Protecting your Washington home from extreme weather, intrusions, and energy loss is a top priority. Impact-resistant windows offer a long-lasting, reliable solution that enhances both security and efficiency. If you're considering an upgrade, consult with a local window expert to find the best options tailored to your home's needs. Invest in impact-resistant windows today and enjoy a safer, more comfortable home for years to come.